Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking your device. Use Android 8, 0 or newer with at least 2 GB RAM and 100 MB free storage for emulator and ROM files. Pick which Super Mario version you want to play, NES, SNES, or Game Boy, because each requires a compatible emulator core and sometimes different BIOS files. Enable Bluetooth and grant storage and microphone permissions if requested. Then create a dedicated folder named ROMs on internal storage or SD card. Keep your phone charged and close background apps to reduce input lag and Install a reputable emulator app such as RetroArch, NES, EMU, or SNES 9X from a trusted store or the emulator developer site. Then download and activate the matching core for your chosen Mario version. Transfer legally obtained ROMs or cartridge dumps to the ROMs folder on your device and unzip compressed archives. Do not attempt to load files inside a zip. Open the emulator. Point its content browser to the ROM directory. Scan for games, and associate the game with the correct core before launching to ensure proper audio and video emulation. Configure controls by customizing on-screen buttons or mapping a Bluetooth controller. Pair controllers via Android settings and assign buttons in the emulator for jump, run, and menu functions, and enable vibration if supported for tactile feedback. Use the emulator's save states alongside in-game saves. Press the save state slot to store progress and export saves to cloud or SD card for backup. Improve performance by adjusting frame skip, increasing audio buffer size, selecting the GPU renderer, enabling 2x integer scale for pixel-perfect graphics, and closing background apps to minimize input lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.